Guys, I just got some very disappointing news. My college that I was going to be attending this fall, University of Florida, go Gators, is going 100% online. Which means that I'm not moving out this fall. I was super excited for it, but guess what? Not anymore. You know, I could have still moved into my dorm room, but like, there was no point. Why would I spend thousands of dollars on a dorm room to do my classes in the dorm room when I live 30 minutes away and I could just do all my work here at the house? Yeah, it wouldn't have made sense to spend that much money. But now I have that money and I need something to do with it. My room is in a dire need of an update. I'm gonna get new furniture, new computer, be getting new lighting, LED lights everywhere, baby, the whole shebang. Super excited for it because it's also going to be a functional YouTube studio for me to film more videos for you guys, and that's going to be the best part. It'll also function as the perfect environment to study in, Zoom calls with professors, because I'm going to be 100% online. Yeah. We're going to see how this turns into a YouTube studio. I know it's going to take hours of work, which I'm not looking forward to. I think I'll show you guys what it looks like now so we can just get a gauge of, you know, how much work I actually put in. Disregarding the mess, here's my room now. It's pretty messy. There's my TV. Here's my big dresser. It's got a lot of stuff on it. My tall dresser, the Gata poster. It's okay to film in, but it's not perfect. I could definitely use a desk where I can set up a computer. If I wanted to be able to stream, I'm gonna need better lighting, obviously. What I'm working on is getting new furniture for over here. I'm going to IKEA later this week. This is gonna be new furniture. This TV is gonna be hanging on the wall. A desk here, and this is gonna be gone. This is gonna be painted white. Probably gonna be shelves here. Gonna be some soundproofing panels on this back wall here. Hey, it's gonna be gone. Don't need it. This is a pretty good before of my bedroom. I can't wait to see the after, because I know this is gonna be a lot of work. The first question you might have is, TJ, why are you sitting on the floor when there's a chair literally right there? I couldn't answer that for you, but I can answer this next question because I know you have it. TJ, how the heck is this lighting so amazing? Well, as you guys can see, I got a ring light, which is, I think it's kind of mesmerizing. It's got a few modes here. And you can change the brightness too, which is pretty cool. I think I have it at max. Oh God, let's turn it down some. That's kind of fun. I should be going to IKEA tomorrow. I'm gonna get all of my new stuff, which is pretty exciting, and I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna build it all here. I'm gonna show you guys me building it because that will be awesome. We're back from IKEA. I've got all my furniture out, all the boxes ready, and I haven't moved out my other furniture yet. And that's gonna be the part that sucks the most. I'm not looking forward to that. I've got my trusty tools here. I'm ready to start laying out this new furniture here, start getting it put together. So I think I'm gonna do a little time lapse of me doing that, because nobody wants to sit here for however long it's gonna take me to figure out these things. It's upside down. Oops. All right, now. As you can see, I got the dresser installed and it's in here now. I don't think any of you can doubt my handy skills, can you? I think this looks absolutely amazing. Shout out IKEA. I've got all my books in here, the PlayStation, everything. I've got these drawers. Now comes the hard part. I've got to clear my clothes out of these. Build the new one. I'm gonna take this one out and put all my clothes in the new one. So that's gonna take some time. Let's hop into another time lapse to get all that done with. The final shirt. And we're done. Oh my God. It's done. It's time to build. Well, as you can see, I got the new dresser built up, I got the old dressers out of here, and actually, as a side note, I got them sold. So that is pretty awesome. They're no longer in my living room. Now all my crap that wasn't in the dressers is on top of this new one. But it's not gonna be there for long, so don't worry about it. Next step that we gotta do though, is I gotta mount my TV. First thing I gotta do is take down this one that I had for like a 32-inch TV. It's not gonna hold up the one I got now. As you can now see, I've got the TV mounted, and in that video you saw I had to call help from the big guns. My dad helped me get it mounted, then I got these LED lights under it, and I got this nice wire cover to hide everything up. That's crisp and clean. But I do have one problem in this whole room renovation thing. Basically, I got this desk that's right here behind me from one of my friends, and it doesn't fit. That's why it's not pushed against the wall. There's about an inch. Never been told that before. Yikes. An inch, man. So instead of recording the rest of the thing like I planned on doing, I actually went ahead and did all of it. And I didn't record it because I think this reveal is gonna be a huge surprise. Let's go take a look.
We will have literally stars before midnight tonight. This is a breathtaking page.
Well guys, that's pretty much it, and besides a couple of small things, I think we're pretty much done. And I think this room provides a really great background for these YouTube videos, especially when I'm sitting here explaining things, which was what I was really going for. Kind of hoping that with this new setup, with this new background and everything, I can do a little bit more of these self-commentary type of videos. I can like go on Jubilee and just like watch some videos and just laugh and have some fun with you guys. So you might see some more content like that coming out soon, and I hope that kind of stuff is something that you guys would like to see. Let me know down in the comments, okay? And if you want to see that stuff, hit subscribe, because that's really going to help me out, guys. It's going to help me be able to get to that point where I can monetize. Well, everything's not completely done yet. Hit subscribe, and guys, I will see you in the next episode. Right now, I've got something pretty important to do. I gotta go graduate. I've been super busy. This is one of the things I've been busy with. So today I'm going to graduate, so I probably better get there, so I'll see you guys later.